If you want to connect your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro to PC and transfer data, then in that case the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. You can of course connect it to your computer or laptop, and you should be able to transfer files quite easily. So in order to do that, we're just gonna connect our phone to the computer. Then in here we need to simply find a notification about charging this device via USB, which should appear shortly after that. And we can tap on that notification. There we go. And in here you want to make sure that this option is selected, File Transfers / Android Auto. After that you can just open your PC and you should be able to find Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, of course. Over here we have our storage, and you should be able to find everything that you have on your phone, like your screenshots, photos, videos, documents, audio files, and so on and so forth. And if you want to, you can of course just transfer files from your computer to your phone or the other way around. You just have to locate all of these files inside these folders. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.